The red dragon hatches after 500 years. Its first breath is hot enough to boil our cameraman's coffee. At 50, it practices hunting. Fun for the dragon. Therapy bills for the mountain goats. The teenage dragon at 120 struggles with flying and fire control. Local forests and wildlife pay the price. Adults spend 40% of their time arranging treasure, obsessively sorting by color, size, or dragon sentiment. At peak power, it flies at 300 kilometers per hour and is the only creature actively seeking turbulence. The 1,000-year-old dragon mostly sleeps now, dreaming of nights while ironically sleep-talking in human language.